A brand new YouTube niche is quietly exploding right now, and almost nobody is talking about it. One small channel started just 1 month ago. It has uploaded only 8 videos, yet it's already pulling in over 600,000 views. The crazy part? Anyone can create these videos. So how are these channels growing so fast? In this video, I'll break down the entire process step by step. You'll see exactly how this content is created, which free AI tools are used, and how you can start making the same style of videos yourself. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to create your first video in this fast-growing niche. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at this example channel. As you can see, it's a relatively new channel with only 9 videos uploaded so far. Even with such a small number of uploads, the channel has already gained a lot of attention because this style of content is currently trending on YouTube. Now, let's play one of their videos and analyze their content style. You'll notice that the entire video is created using AI-generated visuals along with an AI voiceover. In this particular video, the creator explains the complete history of sugar, so every scene is generated to match different historical time periods. All of the visuals are AI-generated, making the storytelling engaging while keeping the production process simple. I also checked the channel's monetization status, and it is currently monetized and earning revenue from YouTube. This shows that AI-generated content can still be monetized, as long as it provides original value and follows YouTube's monetization policies. To make this process super easy for you, I've already done the hard work. I created a Google Docs file that contains all of the master template prompts you'll need to generate both the script and the entire video using AI. Instead of starting from scratch every time, you can simply reuse these prompts to create unlimited videos in this niche. You'll find the link to the Google Docs file in the video description below. Go ahead and open the document first because we'll be using it throughout this tutorial. It contains everything you need, and I'll show you exactly how to use each prompt step by step. Step number 1. First, open ChatGPT. Once it's open, go back to the Google Docs file and copy the first master template prompt. This prompt is a bit long, so make sure you copy the entire prompt carefully. Once you've copied it, paste it into the ChatGPT prompt box and click Generate. After a few seconds, ChatGPT will suggest 10 different video topic ideas. You can choose any topic you like, but for this tutorial, I'm going to select the first option, the history of coffee. Simply type the option number or paste the topic name into the prompt box and click Generate again. Now you'll see that ChatGPT divides the script into 4 parts. This is because the prompt is designed for long-form YouTube videos that are around 20 to 40 minutes in length. Instead of generating everything at once, we'll create the script one section at a time. To begin, type part 1 and click Generate. ChatGPT will then write a complete, detailed script for the first section of your video. Since the script is fairly long, it may take a few moments to finish generating. Once it's complete, we can move on to the next step. Now open a new ChatGPT chat. Once it's ready, go back to the Google Docs file and copy the second master template prompt. Paste this prompt into the new ChatGPT chat and click Generate. This time, ChatGPT will ask you to provide your video script. Since the full script is quite long, I'll only paste a small section in this tutorial to demonstrate the process. However, when you're creating your own videos, you should paste the entire script to get the best results. After pasting the script, click Generate. ChatGPT will automatically create detailed video prompts that perfectly match your script. Each prompt is organized under a title that corresponds to a specific section of the script, making it very easy to know which visual belongs to which narration. The best part is that you don't have to write separate prompts for every single scene. The AI automatically generates visuals that match the story, saving you a huge amount of time while keeping your entire video consistent. Now that we've generated both the script and the visual prompts, let's move on to the next step. Step number 2. Now that all of your video prompts are ready, it's time to generate the actual video clips. Open Flow AI and create a new project. Once the interface loads, you'll see a clean workspace with a prompt box where you'll generate your videos. Before you begin, configure the settings. Set the mode to video. Choose the aspect ratio as 16:9, select the Omni Flesh video model, and set the video duration to 10 seconds. Once these settings are in place, you're ready to start generating your clips. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the first video prompt, paste it into the Flow AI prompt box, and click Generate. Within a few seconds, your first video clip will be ready. As soon as the first clip starts generating, don't wait for it to finish. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the second video prompt, paste it into Flow AI, and click Generate again. While Flow AI is processing one clip, you can continue copying and submitting the remaining prompts one by one. This workflow saves a lot of time because you're always generating the next clip while the previous one is being processed. Continue this process until you've generated every clip from your list of prompts. As you can see, I've now generated all of the video clips needed for my project, and they're ready for the final editing stage. Step number 3. Now, let's convert our script into an AI voiceover. For this tutorial, I'll be using Clipchamp, which offers a free text-to-speech feature. Once you've opened Clipchamp, click on the text-to-speech option. This will take you to the editing interface. On the right-hand side, you'll see a script box. Go back to ChatGPT, copy your completed script, and paste it into this box. Next, scroll up to the voice settings, where you can choose from a variety of AI voices. Listen to a few samples and select the one that best matches the style and tone of your video. Once you're happy with the voice, click Save to generate the narration. After the voiceover has been created, click Export and choose Audio Only as the export format. This will save your AI-generated voiceover as an audio file, ready to use in the final video editing process. Step number 4. In the final step, open CapCut and create a new project. First, import the AI voiceover file you generated earlier and drag it onto the timeline. Next, import all of the video clips you created with Flow AI. Now start placing the clips onto the timeline one by one in the correct order. As you do this, make sure each clip matches the corresponding part of the voiceover. If a clip is longer than needed, either increase its playback speed or trim away the unnecessary sections so that it syncs perfectly with the narration. If a clip is too short, you can slightly slow it down or replace it with a better generated version if needed. Continue following this same process for every clip until your entire video is assembled. Take your time to ensure the visuals flow naturally with the narration and that there are no awkward gaps or mismatched scenes. Once everything is in place, watch the entire video from beginning to end. This final review is important because it allows you to catch any timing issues, incorrect clips, or small edits that may improve the overall quality. Make any final adjustments if necessary, and when you're satisfied with the result, export the video in 4K for the best possible quality. And that's it. Your AI-generated long-form YouTube video is now complete and ready to upload.
Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering that coffee no longer exists. No cafes opening before sunrise. No steaming mug waiting beside a laptop. No espresso machines humming in airports, offices, and train stations. Students preparing for exams would search for something else to keep them awake. Night shift workers would lose a familiar companion. Millions of morning routines would suddenly feel incomplete. For more than 1 billion people, coffee isn't just a drink. It's the signal that the day has officially begun. But here's the strange part. For thousands of years, humanity had no idea coffee even existed. The forests where it first grew had stood silently for centuries, hiding one of the most influential plants in history.
And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can create high-quality, AI-generated history videos from start to finish without any advanced editing skills. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment letting me know what type of AI tutorial you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.